Hey guys, Alex here, and this is just a quick update video on the progress that Gemini 2.0 has really been bringing to the table. And the latest release in Google AI Studio allows us to see the evolution of Google's multimodal AI agent, which is essentially an agent that's able to interact with the world around you, both through vision and through audio input, and build out true assistant behavior. They showcase it with Project Astra, which is this tool that you can use to visualize augmented reality and pretty much give you an assistant on the fly, which looks like it's going to be a great companion for traveling overseas, even being able to translate on the go. So this is really cool. So what we have here right now is the access to the new Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental model in the stream real time. Now I'm going to test it out from a use case of a coder, see how it goes. It's a bit buggy at the moment, but this will just show you what you can expect from Gemini and its multimodal live API. Let's begin with sharing our screen. We'll share our entire screen and share. And then I'm going to talk.
Okay, I hear you said...
Hey Google.
Okay. Yes, I hear you. Is there anything I can help with?
Alrighty, I need to analyze a dataset using Jupyter notebooks with Python. Preferably, I'd like to use pandas. This is a dataset of top 100 restaurants in America. What is the first thing I should do in my Jupyter notebook?
Okay, you're looking to analyze a data set of top 100 restaurants in America using Jupyter notebooks and Python, and you prefer to use pandas. The first thing you should do is select a kernel in the notebook environment.
Yep, I've just completed that.
Great. Now that you have selected a kernel, you can proceed to start analyzing your data set. What would you like to do next?
I would like to load the Independence 100 CSV as a data frame.
Okay, to load the Independence 100 CSV file, you'll need to use the pandas library to read the CSV file into a data frame. Would you like me to show you the Python code for that?
Yes.
Okay, to import pandas, you would start by typing import pandas as p-a-d in the first cell of your Jupyter notebook. Would you like to move on to loading the CSV after that?
Yes, I would. This is so cool.
Okay, to load the CSV file, you would use the pd.read_CSV function, providing the path to your independence100.csv file as a string. The code would look something like df equals pd, read_CSV, independence100.csv, . Would you like to move on after this step?
Does this look correct? Does this look correct?
Yes, that looks correct. Yes, that looks correct for loading the CSV file into a pandas data frame.
Can I do a preview of the data frame?
Yes. To preview the data frame, you can use the method to display the first few rows. For instance, you can type df.head into the next cell. Would you like to do that?
Yes.
Okay, it seems that the first few rows of your data frame have been displayed with the .head method. Now you can see the column names, as well as some of the data. What's the next step you would like to take?
I'm going to get back to him in a sec, but the fact that he was able to read my screen and give me advice on the fly is kind of awesome. I do not like the fact that he's saying backquote. If it was a real assistant, it would probably just give you the line of code and expect us as humans to understand what is the implied line of code. It's just putting backquote there because it wants us to be specific to what is the code it's giving us. I'm going to ask him to maybe help me use pandas to do something. Let's see. Using pandas, let's find the top 10 restaurants by meals served.
Okay, you'd like to find the top 10 restaurants by meals served. You can use the _nlrgest method on the meals served column of your data frame. Would you like me to provide the Python code?
Yes.
Okay, you would write back, "df nlrgest 10 10 meals served, back quote, to get the top 10 restaurants by meals served. Do you want to execute that code now?
Oh, it worked.
Great. It seems that you have successfully used the NLRGIST method to display the top 10 restaurants based on the meals served column. Is there anything else you would like to do with this data?
Look, it's pretty good. It didn't really give me the right code though. It just said n largest 10 meals served. They didn't say to put it in brackets, open brackets, 10, comma. It didn't tell me I had to quote, put quotations around meals served. So it's okay in its functionality. It's not 100% a coding assistant yet, but I'm asking it to do something it's probably not trained to do at the moment, because it's really implied to be used in Project Astra as augmented reality in some of Google's future techwear. Like I'm assuming they're planning to build some AR glasses similar to Facebook and other people. So I believe that just giving it something like this and showing me that it has complete knowledge and understanding, it's able to read my screen and give me an answer, is insane. I'm going to stop recording now, but that is actually pretty cool. I'm going to have to say that this is becoming really, really... oh, it even has code execution as a parameter. It's just becoming insane at how great we're getting towards having AI become real-time assistants. And I think it's going to be basically one of the best things you can buy if you like to travel the world. It's going to probably break down barriers between languages. It's going to be really, really groundbreaking in that regard. As a coding assistant, it's still got a long way to go, but I can see its value. And is the agent scaring me a little bit? Look, I definitely think I'll still have my job for quite a while, but it's getting there. It's getting to the point where it's able to do itself, do its own reasoning, and start understanding the challenges and basically interacting with the environment around it, which is what I thought was the bottleneck of AI, but it's looking like it's becoming a reality very, very soon. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you guys like about this new Project Astra experience and what Google AI Studio is bringing to the table of Gemini 2.0. Thank you guys for watching.